The salon was quiet in the early morning, just the soft buzz of the sterilizer in the back and the smell of lemon cleaner mixed with acetone. Bliss Nail Bar sat at the corner of Glenwood Avenue, glass windows facing the busy street, a pink neon sign glowing, "Nails that tell a story." I had my workstation set, files lined neatly, a rainbow of polished bottles on display, and my iced caramel latte within reach. At 8:45 a.m., my first client of the day walked in. Monica Harris. She was 29, worked at a marketing firm downtown, and was one of those clients who always came in with pictures saved from Instagram, ready to try the newest nail trends. That morning, she looked put together but distracted. Black blazer, fitted jeans, nude heels clicking against the tile floor. She clutched her phone like she was waiting for an important call. By 9:05 a.m., Monica settled into chair #6, scrolling through her phone as I prepped her nails. She finally sighed and said, "Can you believe he canceled dinner again? My boyfriend said he's working late every night this week. I don't know. Something feels off." Her voice trailed off before she quickly added, "Anyway, let's do French tips with crystals today. I need to look cute for me." The salon began filling up by 9:30 a.m. Pedicure chairs bubbling, soft R&B playing through the speakers, clients chatting about weekend plans. But Monica wasn't her usual bubbly self. Her phone buzzed twice, both times she flipped it face down. The contact name on the screen flashed just long enough for me to see. Unknown. At 10:15 a.m., her nails were flawless. Sharp French tips, little crystals catching the light. She took a quick selfie, posted it to her Instagram story with the caption "Midweek Reset," and waved goodbye. She promised she'd be back next month, same time. That was the last time anyone at Bliss Nail Bar ever saw her. The salon was winding down when the phone rang. It was Monica's sister, her voice tight with panic. Did Monica come in today? She never showed up to work, and her car isn't at her apartment, to the channel where mystery meets obsession. Here, I break down chilling cases, shocking twists, and unsolved stories you won't be able to stop thinking about. Disclaimer: the crime stories shared on this channel are fictional and created purely for entertainment purposes. Viewer discretion is advised, as these tales may still include suspenseful or sensitive themes. So, sit back, relax, and watch as I bring you thrilling nail salon dramas and mysterious stories that will keep you on the edge of your seat. Thanks so much for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Becoming your own nail tech at home is not only fun, but it's also one of the most affordable ways to keep up with your beauty routine without breaking the bank. With a few beginner-friendly tools and polishes, you can create salon-quality nails right at your kitchen table, saving both time and money. It's a creative outlet too, letting you experiment with different designs, colors, and trends while learning a skill that pays for itself. And for my girls who don't have the time to sit down and do it all, I'll be launching my very own line of press-on nails on TikTok Shop very soon. They're perfect for busy women balancing work, kids, and everything else life throws at us, while still making sure our self-care and maintenance don't get neglected. These press-ons are affordable, stylish, and super easy to apply, giving you that salon look without the salon price. Shop my website, crossbeauty.net, and TikTok Shop. Cross Beauty.